Welcome back. What's the best way to organize and store food in our fridge? Well, registered dietitian Leia Flure is showing us how in today's healthy living. Good morning, Leia. How you doing?
Good morning. Good to see you. I apologize if you hear any like iPad game stuff because Cammie's sitting here with me playing her game.
I love it. I thought I heard Elmo earlier. It might not have been Elmo, but it was cute. Anyway, Leia, you have a true or false that you're going to kind of quiz me on here. I don't want to look at the answers. They're in the prompter right now.
Yeah, okay. So, and for people at home, follow along too. All right, so the first one is true or false. You should keep raw meat on the top shelf of your fridge.
False.
Yes, I'm so glad you said that.
Well, because it could drip down, right?
Yeah, you definitely want to keep raw meat and poultry on bottom shelves because if they're on top, they could drip their juices onto the foods below and contaminate them, which is really a problem if you're not going to cook those foods before you eat them. So, you could get something like salmonella or E. coli poisoning, and that is not fun. Okay. Yeah, put that stuff on the bottom shelf. Yes.
Portrait.
I think we should have music in the background of your segments all the time. You're like, diddling. True.
Right? Or like, that's right, Cammie. Or like Jeopardy music or something.
I love it. Okay, so what's the next one?
Number 2, true or false? Fruits and vegetables should be stored in the crisper drawers.
Yes.
Well, yeah, that's what they're there for. So the reason is not just for organization, but it's also for the humidity. So for best storage, vegetables require a higher humidity and fruits a little bit lower than that, but still a higher humidity than the rest of the refrigerator. So that'll help you keep your produce for longer and reduce your storage waste. The other thing I want to say is now I like to cut up my fruits and vegetables and then keep them in clear containers and put them at eye level in the refrigerator. So like when you open up the fridge, that's the first thing you see when you're jonesing for a snack. And you go to the fridge these days like probably too many times a day. And if you see that healthy stuff first, you're more likely to eat it.
Don't forget.
Right, if the cold pizza is on the top, we were talking about this earlier, that's the thing that you're going to grab, right? Ding-a-ling!
Ding-a-ling, you got it. All right.
You got it right. I love this.
Oh my God. Cammie should be on every segment.
I think so.
Okay, so true or false, if your fridge has a compartment for eggs in the door, you should store them there.
Ooh, I would think so.
Tricky.
Tricky one.
No,
So enjoy it.
don't do it. Just because it's there doesn't mean you should do it. The reason being, since we're opening the refrigerator all the time, that causes a lot of temperature fluctuations. And yeah, it can make them go bad quicker. So it's best to keep eggs and dairy and that kind of stuff. So like don't keep your milk or creamer in the door either. Keep them in the main part of the refrigerator. The exception is butter. You can keep butter in the door.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so last one. You should consume foods that are expiring sooner before you use the newer items.
I guess this makes sense that you probably should. I don't think I do, but yeah.
Well, you would think that, but I'm not gonna lie, my husband kind of sucks with when he goes grocery shopping. He just puts stuff in there and I end up having to rearrange things.
Rearranging everything?
Yeah, so think like a grocery store. Okay, put your food. Ding-a-ling.
Ding-a-ling.
Put the behind the older ones, so you use those first.
I love it.
So good. Okay. So in general, stop. Okay, stop. The last thing that I think is really important, just in general, it's good to put, again, your raw meat and your eggs on the bottom shelves because they require a higher temperature for cooking to kill the bacteria. Okay, middle shelves I like to put leftovers that need to be reheated. Um, I'll put dairy and stuff like snacky stuff on its own shelf. And then on the top, I put my ready to eat foods that I'm not going to cook. Okay, so like the fresh fruits and vegetables, salads, or anything like that. Does that make sense? You can do this. It's really not that hard.
Yeah, it makes sense. There were a few things that I was like, I for sure don't do that, but I will now.
Ding-a-ling!
Ding-a-ling, you got it right. Thanks, Leia. It was good to see you.
Hey, thanks.
Bye, Cammie.
Cammie, want to say bye?
Bye.
Oh, bye, sweetie pie. Edo's got your forecast right after this. We'll be right back.